This might be the cheapest way to transform your car's interior or ruin it. I don't know. We're gonna find out today, you guys. So I'm hoping that this comes out better than what it is right now. Because if not, I'm in some deep shit. Further ado, let's get right into it.
Oh yeah!
Yard sale. Everything out of that car, every interior piece out of that car is out other than the steering wheel, any wiring, and the dash. We're gonna paint all of this. We're gonna clean up the carpet. We're gonna redo the headliner. We're gonna redo the seats. We're gonna do every trim piece again. A high possibility it's gonna be black just because black looks cleaner, looks better. We're gonna start off with cleaning the carpet because as you saw, it is the dirtiest, dirty, nasty, close to 30 years of not probably being properly cleaned. So it's just added up and it's nasty, it's disgusting. Let's just get right into it.
Come on. Come on.
All right, we got the carpet done. It's over there. Next up is all the seats. We're gonna start with the rear first. Now we're done with all the seats, carpet, we're done cleaning that. We got to go ahead and sand all of these trim pieces down so that way there's something for the paint to adhere. But that is the boring part, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna skip and just like that, we're done sanding all those pieces down, you guys. No, we're not. I just shook the camera. But we're gonna skip all the sanding, so. Everything is dried up as far as the seats go and the carpet. But we are gonna hit the seats with some paint. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, huh?
Nothing.
All right. This is where we're at with this. You guys can see I did dye everything up. This isn't black. This is like more like of a gray color. The reason it's not black is because they didn't have the black dye. But we did it a darker color that way. When I spray it with the spray spray can with the fabric stuff. Spray it with the actual fabric dye. That's gonna turn this completely black. It uses less can than what it is. It worked on the seats. It worked on, as you can tell, it worked right there. So this is all what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna do it with the black fabric spray can, so it can actually take black completely in. Let's get to spray painting the seats. Get out of here! Get out! Alright, we're about to do the headliner. We got an issue though where this bent and it warped. I had it on the ground so it warped up. So we're gonna try to fold it back as best as possible. But it warped, so we're gonna try our best to put this back how it should be.
Pass out, you have the sit-up one.
Those 3 holes on the side and then like the one big one in the middle for Look who came to visit. It's enough of that. I just installed the headliner and
No one cares.
whatever, frick you. This thing came out amazing.
Ugly, if you ask me.
Well, you know what? You have a red car. And me and Steph agree, it's ugly. Ugly red car. What are you?
I'm American.
Okay. And other better news.
It's still
This actually came out really good. Surprisingly good. Surprisingly good. Even John was like, oh my god, can you do it to my Type R? I don't want to do that shit. It's just fucking ugly. I told you to scram on out of here. We made it! Today is the last and final day of putting the Civic together. This is it. Like Michael Jackson said, this is it. Today we're painting everything. Everything's getting done today. Everything's getting done. Everything's getting done today. It's getting put together today. Today is the last day we finally get this done. This project has been going on for a little while only because I've been going back and forth between this and the S2000. The S2000 I work all the time throughout the whole week. Throughout the whole week I'm working on the S2000. This is only weekends. So it's finally today's gonna get done. I gotta get it out of here because there's a couple things that I have to get done to it that I will explain about it later. But let's finish up the rest of the interior pieces. done. Well, 95% done. That is because the doors, I did not paint those. I did not get to paint those. I ran out of time. Only reason being is because this car, I gotta send it out to the body shop because I got hit. Yeah, I didn't say that. I didn't mention that, but that's for another day. Yes, I got hit on the other side. If you might have seen it through the video, might have not, but I'll leave that for another day. I gotta get this to the body shop tomorrow. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.